Sure. Here's a detailed script for your 5-minute video on the Google Nest Hub. 1. Introduction. First 30 seconds. Script. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're taking a close look at the Google Nest Hub, one of the most popular smart displays in the market right now. If you're thinking about upgrading your smart home setup or just curious about what the Nest Hub can do, stick around. I'm going to walk you through its features, how well it performs, and whether it's worth your money. Product overview. 30 seconds, 1 minute. Script. So, what exactly is the Google Nest Hub? It's a smart display powered by Google Assistant, which allows you to control various smart devices in your home, like lights, cameras, thermostats, and more. On top of that, it has a 7-inch touchscreen that's perfect for watching YouTube videos, checking your daily schedule, or following recipes. Basically, it's like having a control center for your entire home right on your countertop. Ask 3. Key features breakdown, 1-2 minutes. A. Smart home control. Script. One of the biggest selling points of the Google Nest Hub is its ability to control smart home devices. You can easily manage everything from your smart lights to your security cameras just by asking Google Assistant. For example, watch this. Hey Google, turn off the living room lights. Show lights turning off. It's super convenient when you're busy or when you have your hands full. B. Display quality. Script. Now, let's talk about the display. The 7-inch touchscreen is bright and responsive, making it great for things like watching YouTube or checking your Google Photos. I personally love using it for step-by-step cooking tutorials right in my kitchen. Plus, the display adjusts to the lighting in your room, so it's never too bright or too dim. C. Google Assistant integration. Script. Of course, the heart of the Google Nest Hub is Google Assistant. You can ask it pretty much anything, from getting weather updates to setting reminders or controlling your smart home. I use it every day for quick weather updates like this. Hey Google, what's the weather today? Show quick weather response. It's fast, accurate, and super helpful when you need info quickly. D. Entertainment features. Script. Aside from controlling your home, the Google Nest Hub is also a great entertainment device. You can stream music from Spotify, listen to podcasts, or even binge watch shows on Netflix right from the display. So whether you're in the kitchen or the living room, you can always stay entertained. 4. Pros and cons. 30 seconds. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, the Google Nest Hub is super easy to use, the voice recognition is top-notch, and it integrates seamlessly with other Google products. However, it's not perfect. One downside is that it doesn't have a camera for video calls, which might be a deal breaker if that's important to you. But for everything else, it's a solid choice. 5. Real-life use cases. Let me show you how I use the Google Nest Hub in my daily life. In the morning, it automatically shows me my calendar and weather forecast while I'm getting ready. During the day, I use it to control my smart lights and security cameras. And in the evening, I'll use it to play some relaxing music or watch YouTube videos while cooking dinner. It's basically my go-to assistant for everything. 6. Conclusion and recommendation. Script. So, should you buy the Google Nest Hub? If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use smart display that works seamlessly with Google Assistant, I'd say it's a great investment. It's perfect for anyone who wants to take their smart home setup to the next level. But if video calls are a priority for you, you might want to consider something like the Amazon Echo Show. 7. Call to action. Last 15 to 20 seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more smart home tech reviews. And if you're thinking about picking up the Google Nest Hub, I've included links to the best deals in the description below. See you in the next video. This script will fit perfectly within a 5-minute time frame, keeping the content focused and engaging. Let me know if you need any additional adjustments.